What's up, everyone? Nathan coming at you from GHL Tools. That was my best Sean impression. Okay, so I wanted to share with you what we're up to in the AI space. So we've been busy little beavers trying to integrate as much of this cool new stuff so that you can share it with your customers and basically automate as much of their daily tasks and potentially your own with this new technology. So obviously, you can go to ChatGPT, you can copy and paste stuff, you can work out exactly how to write stuff and all that sort of stuff. You could give your customers access to that. We could build some kind of embed for that. That's not really helpful for them. What you can do with ChatGPT and OpenAI and a whole bunch of these other things that we're adding on here is actually pre-program them with really, really good AI tech engineering. So let's say, for example, I wanted to craft a Facebook ad. Well, I would tell ChatGPT, OpenAI, to act as if you were an online Facebook ads expert. I'm going to present you with an ad scenario, a business, a type, and I want you to give me back an ad headline, a scroll-stopping ad headline, and a high conversion description with a call to action so that my ads produce better results. That is a better prompt than write me a Facebook ad for my hair studio. So the results you're going to get when the prompt engineering is better is going to give your clients better results and you better results in it as well. So what we're doing is we're pulling together the best of the prompts that we can find out there. I'm involved in a whole bunch of groups. Half my team just geek out on this all day, every day. So we are spending a whole bunch of time on developing this with the latest in how to engineer the prompting on here and how to get the best info in and out of here. If you need to write a blog post, but you don't want to be captured by blog post AI checkers, there are ways to get around that. Those ways will keep changing. The same with SEO. It keeps changing. Everything keeps changing. So we'll keep up to date with that. We'll keep up to date with how to better engineer this. We'll have new things. So we've got blog posts. We've got website content. That's where you're getting your copywriting done. We can help you write stories, help you write tweets and reply tweets, good Facebook posts for personal social engagement, Facebook ads, Instagram captions for that 60-second bang 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 video. A YouTube video plan, so not just write me a YouTube video for this, but a real proper YouTube plan for good converting and high, I guess, keyword-driven, searchable YouTube content. And then obviously TikTok scripts and things like that as well. So these are the popular ones at the moment. These are the ones we've worked through at the moment. These are the ones people have been asking us for. So I'll just quickly go through how these work. But this is what you can give to your clients. You can see this is inside one of my dummy accounts in Highlevel. We've just added I moved myself over here before. I don't know why I'm still over there. We've just added it as a custom menu link. Now you can white label this and actually sell it to your clients as well. So what we've done is we can tie this into our SaaS wrapper, and your customers, they don't need to see the settings menu and the subscriptions menu if you're not using our SaaS wrapper for actually purchasing. If you're just using it for the AI tools, we can hide these other menus for you. And the custom menu link that you use is a special type of link, and it actually lets them log in and check against your accounts if they're a valid account and lets them use it. So you can sell it however you like, and you can white label this however you like. Okay, so we can build you out one of these. You can even brand it and name it however you like as well. At the moment, we have a split testing function, which I'll go through in a second, and we have all of these pre-programmed prompt engineering at the moment on a copy and paste. So let's go and have a look at a Facebook ad. So prompt, write a compelling ad copy, headline, which I'll fix that spelling mistake today, and description for Facebook using this. So enter either your current content, keywords, what you need, just ask. Okay, so write a compelling ad headline description for what did I say that before? I said a hair studio opening in, let's say, New Jersey. Okay, and then optional, we can add nuance to your content. Okay, so If your content needs to be suitable for a special type of audience, you want it to be funny, you need it to be serious. I'm corporate. I need it to have strange things in here. I want it to be a weird call to action at the end. You can add nuance to your content as well. So let's just say urgency needed as we open in 48 hours. Right. So I'm just going to quickly generate some content here. All right, here's my headline and my ad copy. Get ready for New Jersey's newest hair studio, open in 48 hours. Description: don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to be among the first experience the newest hair studio in town. Come experience a luxurious, one-of-a-kind salon. Okay. So you can generate that again, and it'll give you more and more and more. You can hit the copy and paste and take that straight into your ad content. Your ad guys can use this. You can use this yourself. Your clients can use this. So this is really handy and really simplifies the whole process for you. When you go, basically it'll keep what you've written here as well. So you can see, okay, I've got my ad copy now. I need to update my website content. So I need a good headline for my hair studio opening up. So give me now maybe the urgency is not really that important for here, but maybe for a landing page, maybe for a funnel. Maybe you're producing a quick funnel template to get people on board. Okay, so these are all things that you can put in. We can even do testimonials, social posts. We can put a Facebook post together. All this stuff instantly available for you, and you can quickly grab new ones as well. So that's the CopyBot Creator at the moment. I'll show you a roadmap at the end of this as well. We are hardcore on the post engineering to make sure that the prompt that goes to the AI actually produces a really, really good quality and unique response. We'll add new ones of these as well. Feel free to feature request those. Hit me up on Facebook. I'm geeking about this all day, every day at the moment. So we're super keen to grow this out. Let me quickly show you the split test, and then I'll show you how to get hold of this as well. We are technically live. We are in the SaaS wrapper at the moment. We've got a couple of beta clients using it at the moment, so we're getting some feedback from them, and this will be live for everybody. So this is included free in our monthly SaaS wrapper. You don't need to use all of the other features. You can just use this. As I said, you can resell this to your clients, whatever price you like, unlimited. At the moment, we are providing this with you and your own OpenAI API key. At the moment, you'll get, I think it's an $18 script. You sign up, it's free. And we've been like crazy using ours for the last couple of weeks. And I think I've used $1.10. It really doesn't cost that much to use this, so you wouldn't be any troubles there. All right, let me show you the split test tool. Okay, so this is one that's probably good for you rather than your clients at this stage. This is a little bit involved, but it's very, very cool. So let's say you've got a funnel and you want to split test the content on the page. You want to split test a headline or a call to action or something like that. So on your landing pages, you can have headlines, sub-headlines, even images that are actually custom values inside of Highlevel. Okay, so this template, this funnel template here, this is I think it's tagline, headline, sub-headline. I think that's what we've got in there. Okay, so let's say we've set up a split test, and we've got our client's current website or funnel or landing page. Hey, let me run a split test for you, and I'll check out whether I can improve your stats. You set up a split test and add these as custom values. Now, they might be already in the template as custom values, so this is something you can scale out really well as well. But I'm going to go into add new split test. I can give it a name, new headline for client X. The funnel is on the SaaS funnel awesome 2 or something like that, just so you can keep track of these. Okay, and now it's pulling back from this person's location the custom values that are in there. So they've got a brand color, they've got a logo, they've got a headline, sub-headline, and it actually tells you what it currently is. So increase your e-com store's reach and profits with minimal effort. Okay, so what is this? Is it I know I've named them effectively exactly what they are in here, but your custom values could be anything. But just to make it easier, I've named them appropriately, but they might not be named appropriately in yours. But let's say we're updating a headline, and then it's going to generate AI content with this. Now, I could change it here, but it's going to say, here is a headline. This is a headline for a business. You'll note the information that's in here. I need a high converting version of this to increase the whatever it is for the website. Okay, so that's the prompt we're giving the AI. Okay, maximize your e-com store's reach and profits with little to no effort. Okay, that's a pretty good change to that one. Do it again. Maximize your e-com's reach and profit. No, sorry, I didn't hear that twice. Okay, so the AI is going to give me more content, and then I hit save. It's going to update that custom value. It's instantly going to be changed. So in the funnel at the moment, increase your e-com store reach and profits with minimal effort. Maximize your e-com store's reach and profits with little effort. Okay, I'm going to hit save. I'm going to hit refresh. And minimal should change to little, and I think it's maximize was one of the other words they changed. There you go. Maximize your e-com. So it's instantly changing that. Okay. Now in the next release or so, the stats, Highlevel's API doesn't actually pull back the stats for the funnels just yet. So we are building a workaround for that until that comes through. But we'll be able to track the stats on this and see what's actually performing better, and you'll manually be able to declare a winner and things like that on here as well. But I'm going to eventually add the AI doing that for you as well. Okay, so that's a quick overview of split tests. I've quickly covered off the copy creator as well. I did want to give you a quick summary of our roadmap, but I might do that. I might make that on another video. So effectively, we are adding features like crazy. The CopyBot creator came out this week. We had the split test that went live at the start of the week last week, and then on Friday I started building out the CopyBot creator while my devs were on leave. They got back yesterday, and here we are with the CopyBot creator. So this stuff is happening really, really fast. We are definitely going to be adding new stuff into the creator. We're definitely going to be adding new features into the split tests. We have a automated blog creator that will create an entire blog post. So inside of the CopyBot at the moment, you've got blog posts where you can actually change your type. So I need an outline that'll help me write the title, or a title to help me write the outline. I need an outline that'll help me write the blog post, that kind of stuff. So you can give yourself an outline. That can obviously influence a whole bunch of things you can do in your content as well. But you can actually write the post. Give me an 800, give me a 2000. Obviously, we'll build this out more. But we are building an actual full blog post creator with images and everything. So give me your niche, give me your keywords, give me some competitor businesses, basically exactly what you do for an SEO-driven content campaign. And we're going to give it to the AI. It's going to create each of the elements, and you can reset each of the elements on the fly as well. So give me a new headline, give me a new headline. Okay, I like that one. Okay, produce me some images, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the meta image. These are some inline images. Give me another one of those, give me another one of those. It'll base it on the article as well. And you can send that over to WordPress. But also we have a blog function, an SEO-based blog function inside the wrapper as well. So you can instantly post that as a blog post, and we'll be able to schedule them, and we'll be able to automate creation of them. So I need 10 blog posts over the next 10 weeks, and they're going to be on this topic. Or I'm doing a 6-week campaign on this, send me a daily short blog post on doing this, and follow this structure. So we can automate all of that as well. We've got an automated funnel builder coming. We've got obviously the prompt engineering is going to get upgrades and upgrades and upgrades over time. Some stuff we're going to do with images. There's a whole bunch of other things we're adding in here as well. Each of these features will be all included as free add-ons into here for anyone that purchases through us, through the SaaS wrapper. So we'll keep that up. There is a standalone version of the entire thing available as well. Obviously, the split test stuff doesn't make sense for the standalone. So if you don't want to tie it to your users and you just want to have this elsewhere, you can have it on a membership platform or something like that. There is a standalone version. It'll be a lot more cut down. It'll be more based on the actual content rather than functionality. The automators and the split tests and schedulers and all that sort of stuff is all based on functionality within Highlevel. But let me know if you need access to the standalone one for just the copy items in there. All right, 15 minutes in, so I'm going to jump off here, guys. So I'm super excited. I'm super geeking out on this. I hope you guys are as well. There's so much value here. We will be also one big flag that people will keep asking me about. Oh, what's the AI content going to be flagged for blah blah blah, and legalities, or I can't get into anything legal. I have no idea. I don't think anyone really has a clue yet. Basically, it's you shouldn't be using it is what all the legal guys are saying. But they're obviously counting the dollar signs of them going through court cases for this sort of stuff. Me personally, I think get out of the way or get taken over here. So there's so much that's going to change so quickly. I think within 6 months, we're going to have an AI button in every single app that's relevant. Within 12 months, you guys won't recognize your day-to-day work life. That's where I think we're personally going. We'll be adding, as better AI checking tools come on, we're going to be adding those types of functions in here as well. So produce me this content, and then I want you to run it by this, and whether it's an API to something or we build it inside, I want you to make sure it checks all of these balances so that we can actually post it and not get flagged by blah blah blah. Okay, all right. I think I've covered all the bases now. That's plenty of talking by me. Excited to have you guys on board. Hit me up if you need any more information about the SaaS wrapper. Just a quick summary. The AI tools is included inside of the SaaS wrapper. If you don't need the other features of the SaaS wrapper, we can turn all those off. No problems at all. SaaS wrapper is one monthly fee, and we maintain it forever for you. All upgrades, all that sort of stuff, all included, and white glove setup for you. So this will be available in your account, white labeled for you and available. And I'll help you get it all set up. No problems at all. So this will all be working out of the box. No interventions from you. Basically, you can put this menu in here tomorrow and give these out to your clients. What we're also adding is a little video walkthrough here of how this works. It won't be my Aussie voice. It'll be I'm actually going to use an AI generated video here, so it'll be branded for you as well. So, hey, welcome. This is how you do a blog post. You click here, you press this, and then here's how to fill this out to get the best result for this. So, like I said, this is really simple, and it should be really simple. To create everything that went into making that button is actually quite tricky. So there's a lot of code on the back of this that makes sure that the AI gives us exactly what we need based on the smallest little inputs from the client. All I need you to tell me about is this that you need. I'll do all of the thinking, all of the smarts, all of the marketing for you, so it produces the content for you. Okay, I'm literally going around in circles now. I appreciate you guys, and I look forward to helping you out.